Hello friends, today we are going to start a new chapter from class 8 mathematics. This is NCERT book. The chapter is practical geometry. In this we are going to study how we can make the quadrilaterals using the different things which are given in the question. In the first exercise 4.1, we have given with 4 sides and 1 diagonal. 4 sides are given and 1 diagonal is given to us. Now the main thing in this full chapter is the first step will always going to be make a rough sketch. We'll have to make a rough sketch for all the quadrilateral that we are going to construct in this. So let's make a rough sketch for this also. So what I am going to make, I am making a quadrilateral. So this is your quadrilateral. Give a name to it. So I am A, B, C and D. You can see here the name of the quadrilateral is ABCD. So I have written ABCD here. So now whatever is given we are going to make into this. AB is 4.5 centimeter. Then we are given with BC. This is 5.5 centimeter. Then CD. This is 4 centimeter and AD this is 6 centimeter, and we are given with this diagonal which is 7 centimeter. Fine. So this is our rough sketch that we had drawn. Now with this we are going to start our construction. Fine. So first I'll make a line. I'll start with the longest line which is given to us. So the longest length which is given to me is 7 centimeters. So I am making a line of 7 centimeter first, and the name of this line is AC, A and C. Now open your compass as 6 centimeter because I am going to make AD. So let me open. This is 6 centimeter. Fine. Now after this keep your compass on A and make an arc. Then open your compass to 4 centimeter. So let's open my compass to 4 centimeter. Here it is 4 centimeter. Now make an arc from C. Fine. Now join these 2 points. So always write down all the measurements. So this was 6 centimeter and this is your 4 centimeter. Fine. This was your 7 centimeter. What next? Open up your compass 4.5 centimeter. This is 4.5 centimeter and draw an arc in the opposite side of D. Fine. Now open up your compass 5.5 centimeter. This is 5.5 centimeter and draw an arc in the opposite side cutting the previous one. This is going to be your point B. Join these 2 points. You can see the full quadrilateral has been made. Just write down their measurements. This is 5.5 centimeter and this is your 4.5 centimeter. Fine. So this is your quadrilateral A, D, B, C or A, B, C, D. Fine. Now we'll see the steps of construction for this. The same thing we are going to write here, whatever we have done. Like first we have drawn a line AC 7 centimeter. Open the compass 6 centimeter and make an arc from point A. 6 centimeter खोली थी और A से arc लगाई थी हमने. Then open the compass 4 centimeter and cut the above arc keeping the pointer on point C. From C you are going to make another arc. Draw the triangle ACD, this upper one triangle. Open the compass 4.5 centimeter and draw an arc from the point A in the opposite direction. From A 4.5 in the opposite direction. Then draw an arc 5.5 from point C and then make the triangle ABC. A, B and C. Fine. So that's your first question. Now the second question in this is you have to make a quadrilateral jump where the same things, sides, all sides and a diagonal is given. First we'll make a rough sketch for this. So this is a quadrilateral. The name is jump, J, U, M and P. Now JU is given 3.5 centimeter, UM is given 4 centimeter, MP is given 5 centimeter and PJ is given 4.5 centimeter and PU, this diagonal is given 6.5 centimeter. Fine. So this is the rough sketch given to us. Let's start making it. First make the diagonal. Let's make it 6.5 centimeter. So I'll start with making a line 6.5 centimeter. So this is a line which is 6.5 centimeter and the name of this line is P and U. This is 6.5 centimeter. Now open up your compass 5 centimeter. This is 5 centimeter. So this is from P, you are going to make an arc. Now open up your compass 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter. Now make an arc from U. Fine. So this is going to be your point M. You can join these 2 points. Fine. So this is your first triangle that you have got. Now I'll be making this triangle. So open up your arc, your compass 4.5 centimeter. So this is my 4.5. So this is from point P. You can see this is from point P. So from P you are going to make an arc. Then 3.5 centimeter. This is 3.5. Make another arc. Again I have to open 4.5. This is 4.5. So let me make the arc properly. Now they are cutting. So I have got the point. Now join these 2 points. Fine. And this is your point J. Fine. The steps of construction are same. First write down their measurements. So this was 3.5 centimeter. This was 4.5 centimeter. This was 5 centimeter. And this is 4 centimeter. Fine. Steps of construction are same. First make a line PU 6.5 centimeter. From P make an arc of 5 centimeter. From point U make an arc of 4 centimeter. This will give you point M. Join the lines to make the triangle PUM. Then from point P make an arc of 4.5 centimeter in the opposite direction, and from point U make an arc cutting the above arc 3.5 centimeter. Make the triangle PJU. Your quadrilateral jump is ready. Fine. So this is your second question in this. Now comes the third question, parallelogram more. So what remains the shape of parallelogram? This one, and name is MORE. Fine. So what is given to us? OR 6 centimeters. So this will also be 6 centimeter because the opposite sides are equal and parallel. And RE, where is RE? This is RE. This is 4.5 centimeter and this is also 4.5 centimeter. Fine. And then we have EO. This is EO. This is 7.5 centimeter. Fine. So these two are equal. So what I am going to take, I will take 7.5 centimeter first. So let me take 7.5 centimeter first. Let's go for it. So this is 7.5 centimeter line, and this is EO 7.5 centimeter. Now what I will do, I'll have to make these two triangles. Fine. So first I'll go for this. So first one I'll making 6 centimeter. So let's open our compass. 6 centimeter. Fine. So this is my 6 centimeter. So from point E you are going to make it 6 centimeter. So this is 6 centimeter. From O in the opposite direction also you are going to make 6 centimeter. Fine. Now open up your compass 4.5 centimeter. This is 4.5. Now this 4.5 is point 4 from O, and here this is my 6 centimeter. So now it is cutting, and from here also now it is cutting. Fine. Now this is you're going to join them first. Let's join them first. On the measurement also, this is 6 centimeter, this is also 6 centimeter, this is 4.5 centimeter, and this is also 4.5 centimeter. Fine. So this was E, this was O, and this is M, and this is R. Okay, M-O-R-E. This is your parallelogram. You can see the opposite sides are equal, they are equal, and they are parallel. Last question of this exercise, we have to draw a rhombus. Let's make a rhombus first. This is your rhombus. Name it BEST, B-E-S-T, which is the name given in the question. Now you know that all the sides of a rhombus remains equal, so it will be 4.5, 4.5, 4.5 and 4.5, and ET, one diagonal which is given to you, is 6 centimeter. Fine. So let's start with making a line of 6 centimeter in this. So let's go. So this is my 6 centimeter line. This is my 6 centimeter line. Fine. And the name of this line is ET. This is 6 centimeter. Now open up your compass 4.5. This is 4.5. Now make an arc from both sides. This is 4.5, 4.5, because all sides are equal. So we are going to make the arcs from all the sides here. Fine. So now you can join them. So this is ET, and we have BEST. Fine. You can see all the sides of this rhombus are equal: 4.5 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter, 4.5 centimeter, and 4.5 centimeter. So first thing, you are going to make a rough sketch, and after that you are going to make your original quadrilateral. Fine. I hope you liked the video. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Thanks for watching.